DJ facing up, working against LeBron James. Shot clock down to 4. LeBron James and a foul.
You got hit. Tell.
And one.
Graybeard doesn't get a lot of those. You can tell by the excitement. PJ was forcing him to go right. He still went left, got around. Help was late.
That's his 52nd dunk on the year. Among all NBA players active, second in dunks to only DeAndre Jordan.
I would say most of his dunks have come.
LeBron. Second dunk of the quarter for the Akron Hammer.
Good passes out. Second pass right there. Look at it. Graybeard hang and throw it in.
Outlet pass is a thing of beauty. Wow, that was Bill Walton-esque. Anthony Davis finds LeBron James for LeBron's third dunk.
Look at this pass. A rope right on the money.